So what we're gonna do today is this is a stock door latch, will not open. So no matter what I do, it would not open. So what we're gonna do is we need to open the panel from the inside and unlock it and try to fix the problem. So what you do is you usually come in here and there's going to be a screw right there that you need to remove that, and there's gonna be 2 more screws here, and then we can start removing the whole panel out, and we can reopen the door from inside. Okay, and we probably just need to spray it a little bit with WD-40 to loosen off the mechanisms and get it working again. So let's do that. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so we're gonna get our socket wrench. All right, we're gonna get our socket wrench that we're gonna be using today, which, here we go. Hold on. No, not it. Maybe it is. That's the one of it. That's actually number 11. Number 10. It's number 10 socket wrench. Okay, so let's do that. The socket wrench. Here we go. So we're gonna remove this counterclockwise. Okay, so we put this over here where we can find it again. Alright, now the next thing we want to do is right here. See this? See this? You're going to pry this open, these tabs, and there's 2 screws there. One there and one there. So you're going to do the same thing there. Alright, here. That too needs to come off. There. Okay, got 1 screw. Now the other one. There, now second screw's out. Okay, so now that the screws are removed, this panel, there are clips in the back, and we just kind of like pull it. The handle comes off. There. There. See how it unsnaps as you pull and go around and remove it? There. And the same thing there on the other side. There you go, see? Now we remove the panel. We'll put this on the side for now. Here somewhere. Okay. And to unlock this, really, here, I need you to film this, really, is you just stick your hand right here. Here, come here. Can you see my hand? Down here?
Okay.
There. Oh. Stick your hand right here. And you pull that, it should unlock. See? Okay. There. There. There, see? See, there's a screwdriver there. There. Now it unlocks. Alright? So what we're gonna do, actually, is just to get one of these sprays right here, right, and just spray the whole mechanism with WD-40 and just let it sit for a little bit. All right, let it sit for a little bit. From looking at it also, that the latch doesn't have enough play when I pull it. That means I can pull it, but it doesn't retract back. So what I did to fix that is I got one of this, my fishing weights, right? And you just get one of those fishing weights. Show you in a minute. There it is. Right. Open it, right, and put it on the cable right there. I already put one right there. If you can see it, have to zoom it in and see there. Brighten it up a little bit. Yeah, I put one of those sinkers right there, one of the weights, to tighten up the cable a little bit. Okay, so I sprayed it and I put one of those sinkers over here. Open it and just clamp it with a pair of pliers right there. All right, so it gives me the cable, tightens up the cable a little bit. Okay, so now that I've done all that, let's see if it locks. Now we tested it, we see if it locks and opens. I mean, if it opens when we close it. There you go. No problem. Try it again. Now our problem is solved. Now we can put all the panels back. We put all the panels back. We just clip back, line them up with the rest, and they all clip back in place. Yeah. And press them back in place. They snap back in place. Alright, and now put the screws back. Over tighten, get to the 2 more screws, put this back over here, there, yeah, put this screw back and the handle, get your wrench. That's it. One more screw, and we're done. There. All right. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.